Oh yeah, what's going on, you guys? Ryker fan, what is going on? It's your boy JD on 3. It's a gorgeous Saturday, just outside, we riding. Man, I was trying to get all the boys and girls to come out and play, but nobody wanted to come outside today, so looks like I'm on the Ryker solo dolo today. Until maybe a little bit later, maybe somebody will come out and hang out with me, but it's all good. Solo dolo is sometimes the way to be. I do know one thing when it comes to like riding with a group of folks, sometimes it's just hard to keep up with them. It's just, you know, you start getting over 5 people, it's really hard to keep up with folks, especially when you're talking about merging on the traffic and, you know, heavy traffic, and, you know, you're trying to get over and you lose people that way. So I prefer to ride about 3 people. If 3 of y'all are riding, that's really good. I think that's pretty, oh wow, I forgot something. But, yeah, my wallet, I forgot my wallet. Don't have any cash on me. That's crazy. Let me double check. I usually don't forget my wallet. Oh no, I got it. But, yeah, I like to ride about 3 people. That way, it's not that many people to keep up with. You guys can all kind of move, especially if you're talking 3 riders that all kind of ride the same. If you guys are all fairly aggressive riders, it's a whole lot easier to keep up with than having 1 aggressive rider and 2 very cautious riders. You'll definitely lose people that way. So I need some gas, you guys. I'm gonna stop over at this gas station. Question. So as I'm riding with my fiance's uncle, he says he can't use Shell gas in his Spider. It has his bike jerking and sputtering, and it has him, you know, having his bike cut off. He said he could just never use Shell gas. I always use Shell, or I use anybody really. Kind of my favorite stores is like a QT, so whatever they have, or, you know, I'll stop at a Shell, I'll stop at an Exxon, I'll stop at a Mobile. I've never had a problem. I always use 93 octane. Anybody else have had any problems with filling up their Ryker or Spider and, you know, it just doesn't sit well with their bike? I mean, I've never had that problem, but I'm actually on the way to the Shell right now. Go ahead and fill her up. I got about 32 miles till E, and I need a full tank, baby. That's what I need. So in my jacket, I started messing with the armor a little bit, and it's got some Velcro on the back where the back armor sits, and I don't think I put it back together right, and it feels a little itchy back there. So once I stop and fill up this gas, I can mess with that a little bit. Feels a little itchy. I ain't got it sitting quite right. There's a little Exxon, but I ain't gonna go to the Exxon. I like this one, the Shell that's right off the interstate. A little more convenient for me, and I think getting in and out of it is a lot easier than this Exxon. I say that to say, you guys, you know, when you pick places to go, and especially when you're riding on something like this and people aren't paying attention to you, or they're misjudging your vehicle, thinking you're going slower than you actually are, trying to get in and out of places, I try to find the easiest way to do that. I don't like crossing traffic if I don't have to, and things like that. So yeah, definitely keep that in mind. I will say too, guys, taking on and off this jacket, if you're wearing a watch, take the watch off. It gets stuck where the armor's at, and that is a hassle.